Not bad. Well, that new steering mechanism I've put on works really well. It's much better than the other one. Yeah, I've got 3 different positions on the steering to adjust the sensitivity of it, and at the moment I've got it on the middle one. This is scary, riding down these bumps with one hand. The steering's a little bit twitchy still. Not bad. When you're riding on smooth tarmac like this, it's pretty good. As soon as you get on any bumps, it just throws you all over the place. It's really hard to keep your balance, even with 2 hands on your handlebars. So it's not very good off-road. Brilliant on the tarmac, I'm riding it through the park now at the moment, and it's handling really well. I'm enjoying the ride out. Years ago I climbed this tree with my mates and I fell out flat on my back. The tree's still here, and thankfully I'm still here. I was about 12 when I did that, and now I'm 49, so well, the handling is totally changed by putting that 24-inch fit wheel on the front here, and it just feels so much safer. You feel so much more relaxed riding it without that twitchiness. It really does I feel a lot more confident now, so I think I might do a proper test ride with this front wheel on and see how I go on. Steering with one hand now because I'm holding a camera with the other one. It handles much better. It's really transformed the bike. It's like riding a different bike now. It really is. Am I going to fall off? Am I going to fall? Going to hit the curb? Maybe. No, maybe not. Yeah, I think we can say I'm pretty pleased with it. Just got to do the finishing touches now, clean up the frame, ready for painting. Finish off the front end where I've got that bit of rubber on the front there. I need to decide what length I'm going to cut that at, and maybe change the front tyre for a nice road one, and that skanky front wheel I'm going to change that. But I'm really pleased with it. See where the connecting rod has bent. I need to put a stronger one on. Felt pretty safe off-road there.